Hello again, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday night. I'm going to have a very quick, and it will be quick, bimble down the coast road to West Bay. One to try this turn-by-turn navigation of the BMW Motorrad app, and it's also on the phone. So I think on the TFT it only comes up with the arrows of which way to turn when you are about to make a turn. So just to give you that info that you need to turn. And that should, yeah, there you go, let's go back to the screen. Oh, no, telling me what to do now. Now that's strange because the nav on my phone is saying go down to the roundabout, go left, and I assume this is a bit of a countdown till you come up to it. Yes, it is, look. So it's saying take the first turn, even though it's saying go straight on, it's the first turn. So I don't know if you've seen my previous video about pairing the TFT to your phone and to your Cardo, and the Cardo to your phone all at the same time. I've done it hopefully successfully. It does take, when you first fire the bike up, the Cardo pairs to your phone pretty quick. It takes a little bit longer for the bike to pair and sort of load everything up. Okay, so that's saying turn right up here, and it's starting the countdown on that white line on the right. So I mean that's good. And it's telling you take the right hand lane. So that is pretty damn good. And also in conjunction with that, it's telling me to turn right. Oh look, he's got a ponytail. Lovely. Lovely. And back to the main screen. Yeah, I like that. That seems to work well. I've got the voice directions turned off because even with the My Route app, that does my head in. The old Canada geese lot. So as I say, this is just a quick test, just to try out the nav. I'm just going to go down into the settings. So telephone, if we go to phone book and across, there you go, there's all my, so the phone is paired up lovely. Now the media, I don't think, playback. See, if I go across and tell it to play, it won't, because I haven't got the music app open on my phone. Always a daft spot for a bloody bus stop here, look, where those people have stood. I think I made a good choice, for me anyway. They're not everybody's cup of tea. Look at his flaxen hair, look, flapping in the wind. Lovely. I'm really jealous because I haven't got any. Gorgeous evening. It is 6:20 in the evening. I watched a video earlier today, Crazy Legs on a Bike's new video, where he's saying his tolerance levels are a lot lower, especially with the kids next door stamping their feet on their laminate floors. See, I'm the other way. I think I've got more patience now with the grandkids than I can remember having with our kids. I think that's because you can give them back. But adult dickheads, I've got no patience with them at all. Not at all. God, you know, the engine braking on these boxer engines is incredible. St Catherine's Chapel up there. Now my missus keeps threatening that we're going to walk up there. I think she's trying to kill me off. I think she's trying to kill me off. Lovely little place this. This is where they filmed the series Broadchurch with David Tennant. Pauline Quirky used to own one of the top ones up there, the one that looks out to sea. Quite a lot of the series was filmed down here. Obviously they used a lot of locations, didn't they? Yeah, you stay there, mate. But it is a lovely little place. There's the iconic cliffs. It's weird because They used to stick out so much further than that.